If you just unbox an iPhone 17 Pro Max, protect that 6.9-inch screen in under 2 minutes. No bubbles, no stress. You get 2 tempered glass protectors, the auto install alignment box, cleaning kit, and a quick guide. Wipe, dust, and you're ready. The alignment box does the hard part. Just drop the phone in and close. Peel the film, close the lid, light press in the center. Watch the glass self-adhere, edge to edge, pop it out, squeegee any micro bubbles. This is 0.33 mm, high aluminum tempered glass with 9H plus hardness. It's built to resist scratches and everyday bumps while keeping touch response instant. HD clear with 2.5D rounded edges, so swipes feel natural. The oleophobic layer helps wipe off fingerprints and smudges fast. It's case-friendly with precise cutouts. Full coverage without lifting when you snap a case on. You've got a spare for later. The alignment kit makes reinstalls just as simple. Simple kit, solid protection. I got this product sent to me to do a review on.